And the race is on St. Mart, running by the rail, rushing up is Benissimo. RGA down on the inside, Batcom. Alongside is Diridum, sing a song down on the inside, Fib. And nearing the last 700, Benissimo, Batcom. Diridum is racing from the outside, RGA. Sing a song is racing in fifth by Sam Tulens, Blue Collar Boy, Capitol Hill, St. Mart, and Warstar. Last 450. It's still Benissimo by Sam Tulens, Diridum, Batcom, sing a song as they swing for home. Benissimo followed by Batcom, Diridum, sing a song on the outside is Blue Collar Boy. Benissimo, Diridum is on the outside, Batcom in the middle. Benissimo, Diridum, Batcom, and finally it's going to be Benissimo, Batcom, Diridum, RGA. Close, sing a song, Capitol Hill for your Super Sais.